Cheers, guys! It's another day for us here in Hong Kong, and yes, yesterday was really exhausting because we have, enjoyed ourselves so much in Disneyland. So today we are here at Nan Lian Garden to see the bonsai trees and have a day with, a chill travel. Just walk around and do some shopping. So let's go! Koi? Ano yun, Mi? Yung...
Ay, ang dami ko. Sa Laguna marami yun eh. Punta namin.
Ano ang tawag doon? Nakalimutan ko. Yung sa Laguna, may ganyan.
Maraming ganyan. Isa po na lake.
Pero ang ganda ng mga koi. Yeah, koi fish.
Colorful.
Nice. Ba't di kang gumagalaw, ma-video?
Wala ko maituro eh.
Change. Sa gitna.
Okay. Parang souvenir shops.
Sige. Murang-murang.
Okay. Sige.
Mga
Let's go shopping.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. O ganon. Maganda rin yan.
Ayoko kita yung ano. Sana. Ganito close.
Tingnan ba tayo sa loob? May kunin mo na yan. 50 lang mo rin. Pak. Oh.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Asawa ni Marie.
Dari bola, ciri bibi, bum tiaya, bum, yeah, yeah. Boom, boom.
We're walking along what road? I don't know which road this is. We're just walking around to see what's in store for us.
Yeah.
stars where there's really a lot of people, as you can see, right? There is a scheduled light show for tonight. That's why it's jam-packed place. So we're just walking around. We don't know where we're going.
Then,
Just
right or left?
maybe that way, Mom. Okay, we should go here and take some photos. Let's go. Let's go, moms. Come on. Wala pa, pinatay ko.
Ito, buhay.
Ay! Ay, buhay pala to.
Kaya nga, kanina pa.
Ay, naglabas pa ako nito.
Ano ba?
Kala ko, ano eh.
30 minutes?
Hindi.
Parang papatayin na kami ni mami mo na lakad ah.
Punta kami sa Korean restaurant for dinner and we found out na 30 minutes pala from here. Ready ba kayo maglakad ng 30 minutes?
Malayo pa man araw.
Malayo pa itong mahal na araw. So magbubuk na lang kami ng Uber. Let's go! Hello guys, good morning. Before our journey in Hong Kong will end, of course, there should be a room tour. We have booked the Cityview here in Kowloon. Kowloon is considered a shopping district and it has a lot of food and beverage restaurants around. And this is a good place because it's near Yau Ma Tei MTR. So it's just walking distance. So let's knock on our door. Helloers.
Hi, welcome.
Can I do a room tour? It's just a quick room tour here. Okay, say hi.
Hi, Helloers.
Yes. This is a quadruple single. It's good for family because we can fit 4 packs in here. It has 4 single beds. Yeah. Yeah. As you can see, our luggages are ready to roll.
Hi.
Yeah. Let's go to the other room. So there's a room going to the second part where there's 2 single beds as well. Helloers! Yeah, this is our mom. This is my mom-in-law. And this is my mom. How's your stay here?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Pleasant is one. The sound of music.
There is 1 cabinet wardrobe here. And there is this study table with a chair. And this is the bathroom. There's the shower room. And they have provided us shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And there is the bathtub. Same, you can also take a shower in here, so 2 people can take a bath at the same time. Yep. And mind you guys, they actually don't provide disposables, so you have to bring your own toothbrush, toothpaste, and shaving kit as well. But overall, we love it here. We love it here because of the space, the overall layout of the room. it's very spacious for us, and we have paid around 847 SGD for 3 nights, and it's good for 4 packs. So I think it's a bit expensive compared to the other hotels that we have checked in before, but when it comes to comfort and convenience, then that's the price you pay. Yeah. So see you guys. We're going to Macau today. See you there. Bye.